Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the double crochet stitch. Here we have our beginning chain. If you don't remember how to do this, you can go and refer back to my previous videos. And today we'll be starting in the third chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, this is the second chain, and this is the third chain. To do this stitch, you're going to start with yarning over your hook. So we yarn over. We're going to insert our hook into the third chain from the loop. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to catch the yarn and pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops only on your hook. You'll now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And there is a double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert hook through the loop, catch the yarn and pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. That's another double crochet. Let's work a few more. This is another good basic stitch that you can practice just to practice getting uniform and making sure everything is evenly spaced as you're learning to crochet. When you begin crocheting, it will not be even, and that's okay. Just keep practicing and eventually it will look nice and even. And that is how we do double crochet. Learning to crochet, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.